Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the virtualization on your Windows 11. So in this video I'm using an HP laptop. So different laptop has different keys for BIOS settings. So in my case HP laptop BIOS key is function 10 or escape button. So you can just search for it and you will find your function keys. And after that we need to go to the advanced settings. So just open your start menu, then go to the settings option. And after that click on this Windows update option. Then go down and find this advanced option, click on it. And here you need to go to the recovery option, click on this recovery. Then you need to go to the advanced startup and click on this restart now option. And it will show you warning to will restart to device. So you just need to click on restart now. And after that it will start to restart your PC. Then it will open this settings here where you need to choose this troubleshoot option from here. So just click troubleshoot. And after that, under the advanced option, you need to select UEFI firmware settings. So click on the settings here. Then it will tell you to restart your settings again. So you just need to click on restart. Then again your PC will restart. It will take a couple of seconds. And this will take you to this window here. So as you can see, this is here the BIOS setup, which is for me function 10. As I show you previous, you need to search for the key, and this is my function key, which is function 10. You can press function 10 or its function and function 10 at the same time to get into the BIOS settings. After that it will take you to BIOS settings. So you need to go to the advanced option. So just click on the advanced option from here. And after that you need to click on this system option. As you can see, you need to click on this system option here. And this will take you to system option. So you need to find this virtualization technology VTX. So you can find this on the app here, or if you don't find this option there, you just need to scroll down and find this virtualization technology. So you need to check mark it to enable it. So in my case it's already turned on, so you need to enable it. So if you don't find this check mark here, you need to check mark it to enable it. And after that you just need to click save here. So save the virtualization technology, tick mark it and save it. Then click on this save changes, click yes. After saving the settings, you just need to click on exit here. So this click on exit option from the right corner. And while you're exiting, you just need to click on save changes and also click on yes, and it will restart your PC. And once your PC is restarted, you just need to go to the taskbar here, click on it, right click on it, go to the task manager. Then just go to the performance option. If you want the process, just go to the performance option. And here you can see virtualization, which is enabled. So that's it guys. This is how you can turn on or enable the virtualization on your Windows 11 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.